Same Guy Golf Channel. All right, I got a call from the Beefcake. Beefcake says, you, me, Park Hills, 9 holes. How low can we go? He's fired. He is cracked. I'm telling you right now. We're gonna see what we can do. So, hold on to your seats. Grab your popcorn, get a drink, and everything else. We'll see you on the first tee. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been a while here. Let me dust off the lens. I don't know if this is real or not. I gotta pinch him to see if he's real. He's back!
What's up?
He is back, ladies and gentlemen. Beefcake, how you been?
I've been great, I've been fine.
He and I just have not been able to connect. It's been hectic for me. But anyway, no one needs to know about that, right? All right, how low can we go? Projection is,
I would like to go 1 or 2 under today.
okay,
But
we want to go under.
with the wind and everything today,
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to club up 1 or 2. I can see that right now.
Okay. We'll see what we do. We're going under par. That's what we're heading for. So I'm just gonna try to keep this low and put it inside about 130. Oh yeah. All right. We're going with Craig's. Probably just over 100 to the flag. What's in the hole?
Pretty good.
Okay. We like it.
Ooh, that looks good too. That looks good. It's fading right in there.
All right,
Nice
we'll
shot.
figure. We're both sitting right there. All right, we're in for par, so don't leave it short. Ball, come on, ball, track in there. No, stop turning. Nope. We are even par. On to number 2 and Mach 1 wind. That's it. That's the one we need. This wind is coming directly at us.
Yeah,
So I'm thinking at least an 85-yard shot instead of 78-ish, 75. Just get on. Get on. Oh, all right, good. Oh, Jimmy Crickets. Nope, gotta hit it. Daggone it. That would have filled. Even Steven through 2. Number 3. It's playing about 135. Push it, wind. Come on. Keep on in there. Keep on in. He's just short. I'm in the left sand trap. Man.
Tried to get it to stop. It did check a little bit.
Emotional damage.
Yikes.
Not an ideal.
Par 3s will do it to me every time. Man, I'm Manischewitz. All right, bogey on that one. +1 for the round. That's all right. We're gonna get it back right here. Oh, that's the one, Craigie. That's the one.
Oh yeah.
Straighter than I thought it was going to. Go ball. Go ball.
All one to do.
200 out this.
It's all one wanted to do.
All right, right about there. Okay, so we're about, what, 10 yards short? Stop rolling backwards. Oh, you pulled it. Yeah, gum. Probably about 30, 35 yard shot. I'm thinking. Sneak this one close. Why are you going left? How does that go left?
I went to, it's supposed to go to Walmart.
Yeah, everything goes to Walmart.
It started. Oh, that's good. What's that?
Ah, I blew it by.
Yeah.
So birdie, we are back to even par. All right, number 5 into the mouth of the wind. Off to the right a little bit. It's all right. Just under 250 out. So
Alex above the window here.
Alex, you see all those windows? We're breaking one of them, going right through it. Go ball. Okay, so
You're up there.
it's tough.
It's hard to get your footing there.
Yeah.
We should have picked a flatter spot.
Holy cow.
From bad to worse.
Oh boy. Nothing to see here. Oh, pulling left. Settle. I'm hitting the window, Alex. I'm hitting the window.
Oh,